Okay. Hi guys! Now, I'm going to unwrap this parcel. And the 2 parcel. Ayan, titignan natin ano ang laman. Actually guys, ano to, order to ng aking habibi. Pinabubuksan niya sa akin to check kung good item ba yung dumating or we need to return. Pasuyo nga ako ng gunting, please. Thank you. And then after this, we're going to play again with my 2 sons. See? Warning at night. Wow! Parang ano parang what you call this? Napapaisip ako. Ano ang amoy? Kasi warning at night. So parang pa-mystery effect. Ganon. And then, the next one is usually hindi mahilig bumili ng mga ganitong gamit ang asawa ko sa online. Ewan ko ano naisipan niya at napabili siya. I hope worth it kasi first time. Ooh. The second one is shoes. Pang ano niya, pang work. At the same time, pang workout, pwede rin siguro. Ayan guys, so this is the end of my video. Na-unwrap ko na lahat, natignan ko na kung ano yung mga items. So it's shoes and perfume. So, bye! See you to the next video.